Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a gradient background in HTML and CSS. So a gradient background is a background which uses two colors and mixes them together in the middle. So we're going to do one that gradients diagonally because that is the most interesting in my opinion. So for HTML, we're going to make a simple div with a class of gradient. Now we are going to do some CSS. So .gradient. So we know that we're talking about gradient. I'm going to set the width to about 750 pixels and the height to 300 pixels. This doesn't really matter, it's just for video purposes. Now this is the most important part, and this is what actually makes the gradient. Background image is linear gradient, and you need to make sure that you're spelling all of these words right. And then put brackets 2 space bottom space right, and that tells us that we're going diagonally to the bottom right corner. You can change these settings to go top right, top left, or bottom left, but we're just going to do to bottom right, comma. Now red and yellow. I'm just doing red and yellow because they're nice colours, but here you'd put whatever colours you want. And you can see here on the right that we have our gradient starting red, getting a bit more orange, and finishing yellow. So also, if you want to change it, then you could delete the word bottom, then you'd have 2 right. As you can see now, it starts with red on the left and ends up with yellow on the right. And if you just deleted the word right, and so you just had red, yellow, then you can see it goes from the top red to the bottom yellow. So that's how to make a gradient background in HTML and CSS. Thank you for watching.